Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 22 of contract costing CMA intern. Please read the questions here. Look at illustration number 22. A company is manufacturing of building bricks and a fire bricks. Both products require two process, brick forming and heat treatment. Okay. The requirement of the two bricks are these: building bricks, forming 100 bricks 3 hours, forming 100 bricks, fire bricks 2 hours. Heat treatment per 100 bricks 2 hours, and this is the fire 5 hours. Total cost of the two department in 1 month, that is 21,200, and heat treatment 48,800. Production during the month, this is 1,30,000 numbers, and fire bricks 70,000 number. Prepare the statement of manufacturing cost for two varieties of the bricks. A statement of cost you have to calculate. These are easy questions. First, please try to understand time period for these. You have to calculate. Okay, because of for building bricks forming per hours, or 100 bricks, for 100 bricks 3 hours is required. Then what is the time required for 130 bricks? Similarly, for this is a 2 hours, then what is the time required for the 70,000 numbers for fire bricks? Okay, I'm going to solve the questions. A statement showing number of hours. A statement showing number of hours. Particulars. Particulars. Building bricks. Fire bricks total. Look at it. Forming. 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 How many bricks you are going to make? Building 130. Time period for 100 bricks 3 hours. 3 hours time for 100 bricks for 130. What is the time? In the case of this is a 2 hours time for 100 bricks, and what is the 70? 2 hours time for 100, then what is the 70 hours? 70 bricks. 70,000 bricks. This is 3,900 hours. This is 1,400 hours. And total is 5,300 hours. Now heat treatment. Heat treatment. Look at the time. Time is 2 hours, and this is the 5 hours. 2 hours for 100, then 130 hours. 1,30,000. This is 2,600. 5 hours for 100, then 70,000 bricks. This is 3,500. Total 6,100. This total is 3,900 plus 2,600. This is 6,500. 1,400 plus 3,500. This is 4,900. 5300 plus 6100, 11,400. This is the time required for making building bricks and fire bricks. Okay, now cost of forming per hours. Working note second. Calculation of cost of cost per hour per hour per hour. Forming per hours heat treatment. Look at it. Forming cost is given total 21,200. Heat treatment is given total cost 48,800. Cost per hour. Total cost is 21,200 divided by, look at here. In the case of forming, the total hours is 5,300. 5,300. Rupees 4 per hour. Rupees 4 per hours. Heat treatment. Total cost of heat treatment is given there. Heat treatment. What is the cost of heat treatment? 48,800. 48,800. This is 48,800. What is the time? Heat treatment time 6,100. 6,100. This is 6,100 rupees. 6,100 rupees 8 per hour. Rupees 8 per hour. A statement showing competition of manufacturing cost we need to calculate. Now we need to calculate manufacturing cost for two varieties of bricks. A statement showing computation of manufacturing cost per two varieties of bricks. Per two varieties of bricks. Particulars. Building bricks, fire bricks, total. This was the question. If the question was asking what is the cost of manufacturing of two varieties. Okay, look at it. Forming cost. In building bricks, time is 3,900. Okay, forming. And this is 2,600. The cost of this cost per hours is 4 and this is 4. Okay, building bricks. Forming, this is 4. In this case, what do I write? This is 3,900 into 4. Okay, this is 1400 into 4. Why this is 1400? Because forming this is the 3900 hours is required, this is the 1400 hours is required. In forming, what is the cost per hour? In forming, cost per hour is rupees 4. Okay, that's why this is 15,600. This is 5,600. This is 21,200. Now heat treatment. Heat treatment. Look at it. What is the hours? 2,600 in building, and this is 3,500. 2,600 into 8. This is 20,800. 3,500 into 8. 28,000. Okay, total is 48,800. Please try to understand. In heating treatment, what is the cost per hour? That is rupees 8 per hour, and time period for this 2,600 and 3,500. Okay. Now this is 36,400, 33,600. This is 70,000. Okay, this is the very easy questions we have completed. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my video.